Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed to this humble abode, because we are doing what? The Baftas red carpet, my neck of the woods. Yes, my darling, welcome to the United Kingdom. We had the Baftas over the weekend and it was kind of sort of fabulous. Are we living and loving? This is a bow. It's a velvet bow that my mother gave me, that my mother wore when she was much, much younger than I. She must have been in her 20s. And when I went home, I ravaged through, as we do, through my mother's things, and I loved it and I took it. So today I said, you know what, for me, with the short hair, you can do a little something with this. The dress is Ralph Lauren, and I've had this for a while. I am absolutely loving this. I seldom wear black. I don't think black is me, but every once in a while, you get that dress kind of sort of works. All right, so without a beat, let us get into the Baftas. Let's get into the Baftas. First up, Miss Naomi Campbell. She loves black too. She wears a lot of black. Naomi Campbell's an icon. I love you, mama. You don't even know how. She's wearing Chanel Couture and she looks like Little Red Riding Hood in black. I don't care for this at all. Let me just go to her page. Oh no, no, it's beautiful. I see where it's going with the chiffon hood and the beautiful bob. I see where it's going. And you know what? I don't even mind the hooded cape, chiffon cape. It's that the dress underneath should have given me a beautiful, ravishing, raring, daring silhouette. It was too covered up. Naomi has a body. Why would you cover it up the way that you did in this? It was too many layers. It was too much. Chanel or not, it didn't give me anything. You're a beautiful woman. We know this. I love the bob, love the makeup, love the cheekbones, love it all. I even love the chiffon cape. I didn't care for the dress or the belt underneath. It was a hot mess. No, that one was not. You know, Naomi, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. But this one to the Baftas, it was not a Bafta moment. It was an oh moment. Lashana Lynch wore Prada. Why do I like it? I love her. She's a beautiful actress. She's a beautiful face. I love the hair. I love the shirt. I love the jersey at the bottom, almost like a long sweater. I think if they had unbuttoned it just to show a little bit of leg from the knee down, it would have been copacetic, because it gave preppy. It's giving preppy, but it should have given us evening glam. But I like it, but it's not great, and I would have loved if it was great, but it's okay. It's okay. Fabulous actress. We have King of Bingo, and he wore Custom Boss. It's giving me merengue. Like, you know, let's go to Mexico. You know those Mexicans with the big hat? That's all he needed. And this would have been a costume piece. That's what it gave me. The pants were too wide. And I love that heel. I love the shoe. I just wish that he just gave us a skinny pant. Gave us a longer jacket. Didn't give us a jacket. Wore it with. I love the tie. I love the shirt. The pant is just stomping me. And I wish that it had... Ooh, it gave me a little bit more. But I will say this. He has the personality and the confidence and the panache to carry it off. Let's move forward. Sometimes, you know. Taylor Russell wore Custom Louis V. see, you wear these kind of dresses when you don't have any back fat inside. We're doing an episode on that. You're going to live in love. Do I love it? It's fun. She's young. She's got a beautiful body to show it off. I love the feathers at the bottom. The feathers also are kind of nice at the waist, I guess. But I would have loved it without, so that I could see that slim silhouette, you know, that low-fat milk kind of evolution. There's nothing like a fabulous white dress. I'm looking for a white dress. Guys, you're going to live and love. But this is nice. High neck. Why not? Because she's showing the waistline and the entire back. She's gorgeous. I like it. Very, very cute. Adorable, as a matter of fact. Dua Lipa, and she wore Valentino. Beautiful, classic. I love the red. I love the red hair. I love the flip. She looks so, I'm here, take my picture. You know, very unapologetic. Very unapologetic, but I love the color of the hair, and I would have loved it more if they had cinched it in at the waist. Just give it a little something, you know. But beautiful. I love the, you know, I love the chiffon. I love it how it's just cascading. Now this is a woman who was put together, Molly Sims, and she wore Tony Ward. Beautiful. She did not come to play. Very, very Joan Collins. The makeup is nice. Well, the red lip is nice. Stunning. Stunning. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. We have India Ametofilio, and she's wearing Halua Walia to the Baftas. Beautiful girl. Gorgeous. And the dress is nice. The dress is nice. She's adorable. Oh, my darling. We have Davine Joy Randolph, and she wore custom Robert One to the Baftas, and she's looking like Marilyn Monroe. You know what? Point of correction, better than Marilyn, but you know what I mean. This worked. This is absolutely beautiful. Plus the blonde hair. Oh, they enjoyed themselves with this. Absolutely gorgeous. And do you know, I think that she's going to win this Academy Award. I am just feeling as if this girl is going to clean house, and her stylist has been giving her looks from the gate, because this is not the first time I'm seeing her on the red carpet. And I always say it is never the size, it's the underpinnings. You have the creativity, and the talent is ready to play and go there and there. Yes, 100%. That was yummy. I thoroughly enjoyed that. Then we have Lily Collins, and she's wearing Tamar Ralph. The sleeves are beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous. And that's it. I think that the dress would have been so perfect without the silver detail, because the sleeves did it. Sometimes when you do too much, you do too much. It wasn't necessary. Now she looks like a vase. No, a very 18th period PC. And we don't need nor want that. We don't. We honestly don't. Gorgeous. And I love the dark lip. I'd have loved the hair pulled back, you know. But at the same time, wonderful. Emily Blunt in Eli Saab. Love the hair. Love the makeup. She didn't need the necklace. She could have had much more dramatic earrings. The dress was nice, and the flesh-colored undertone was as close as it could get. You know what it was giving me? I think that we just didn't need the sleeves the way it was, because we had so much in the midsection, because the sleeves are a masterpiece and the midsection cutouts is also a masterpiece. It should have been one or the other. It's giving me old curtains, furniture. You know those beautiful lamps that you see in those big 18th century houses? That's what this is giving me. But the hair is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I loved it. Sheila Atim in Gucci. She's so beautiful. So lean and elegant. She looks like an athlete, you know. I love it. I love the hint of red that matches the red in her mouth, and how the dress reflects all of these lights on her. She's so regal. That's what I see. She's beautifully regal. Sabrina Elba in Ashley's studio. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I wish she had just scraped the hair back and let this dress take its moment. It is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. The neckline comes all the way down to the navel, and you can wear this when you have a smaller bust, or you have the right accessories to adjust your bust, of which I'll give you. This is nice. It's very different, and it's giving me that kind of tuxedo vibe. It is. It's kind of giving me a tuxedo vibe, but the twist on it, the collar on it, so everything is opened up because you don't have makeup rubbing on the collar. This is a lovely statement dress. And do you know, they could have gone on with it and given us square shoulders, just short. I would have loved it there, and I love it as is. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Emerald Fennel wore Armani Privé. She looks miserable. I don't care for it. I just think that sometimes simplicity is key. There are some dresses that are really good for photo shoots, for music videos, for editorial. They really project this very strong, you know, vibrant artistry of the designer. But once you take it out of that and put it on the red carpet, sometimes it doesn't translate. And this is giving me portrait. She looks miserable, and I see why. Because perhaps it's a difficult dress to wear. Perhaps she has to nip tuck it every single time, and it's not comfortable for her. Perhaps it's itchy. It's not giving me life whatsoever. On the other hand, we have Kaya Scodelario, and she wore Vivienne Westwood. Classic Vivienne Westwood. It's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. I love the white. I love how it's cinched in at the waist, and it gives the bust everything that it deserves, to the point that you don't need a necklace, you don't need anything, because it's so dressed up. It's gorgeous, and it is ravishing in its simplicity. Absolutely beautiful. I think this is one of my absolute favorites, and this is Rosamund Pike, and she's wearing Dior. Absolutely gorgeous. The detailing of it is beautiful, and it's the underpinnings, because there's a girdle underneath that has given this dress the structure so that it cinches right in and it pulls it right out, and the tailoring and the feathering of the skirt gives it that swirl, and it's a T length. Absolutely beautiful. I love this on her, and it's timeless. You can wear this over and over and over again. Absolutely gorgeous in Dior. We have Kate Blanchett, and she's wearing Louis Vuitton. Very nice indeed. Do I love the burgundy? Yes, I do. Is it giving me period piece Elizabeth warrior? Yes, it is. It's giving me modernized, like she came from the 18th century and she took this with her because she didn't know what we wear in this day and age, and it kind of worked. I like it. I like it a lot, especially with the short hair. Emma Stone didn't fare so well. She wore orange Louis Vuitton, kind of sort of one poofy dress, button on the side. It's not giving me confidence. It's all wrong. It is all wrong. It looks like her great grandmother's dress, and that this fabric does not even exist. Carrie Mulligan in Dior. Timeless. Timeless. It reminds me of Grace Kelly. The hair, I think, is very Grace Kelly, and the silhouette is absolutely gorgeous. It's regal in black, beautiful in black. Can you imagine this in white? Oh my God, I would die. I would absolutely die. Absolutely beautiful. And that is it, my darlings, for the Baftas. I hope you enjoyed the episode, my darlings. Do not forget to like, to subscribe. Let me know who you loved at the Baftas. You know what I should do? I'm just thinking, let me see if I can collab with another YouTuber that does red carpets. You let me know who does red carpet fashion police, and maybe we can get together and do maybe a part 1, 2 of the Academy Awards. What do you think? Huh? All right, my darlings, I live and I love you all very much, and I will see you in the next fitness episode. Okay, let me know also what you want to see when it comes to fitness, when it comes to healthy eating, when it comes to consistency. How can you be consistent, and the varieties of food that you can eat if you still want to keep your weight. Yeah, if you're at your target goal and you just want to maintain your weight, you let me know. All right, darlings, I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Kiss.